Hi, this is Teresa from Yarn Again. Do you remember this shawl? Well, it's been bugging me because I don't think it's wide enough and big enough. So I had a little bit of extra yarn and I'm going to put that on there. Today is supposed to be Try It Tuesday or Cal Tuesday because I have a couple of cowls I'm working on. However, I did the cowl for the calendar with Lista from Coco's Crochet, and I'm not sure I'm leaving it the way it is, so I might be pulling it and frogging it and trying over again. So I wasn't going to show that today. And I also have the Armchair Chef Cal monthly challenge that is up in the air as well. So I thought I'd show you what I'm actually going to be working on today. This shawl. I'm putting this on here, and I'm going to try my new hooks that glow and light up so we can see how they work. And then we'll have a part 2 to this video. I also, thank you, King, for stopping. I also will be working on my Persian tile and my, hey, there's King. King. He's laying right by my tiles and he likes to make noise when I'm trying to tape. Okay, thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate a subscription. When I get to 500, I am having a giveaway, and you will like the stuff that's in the giveaway. That's why I'm not having them every 100. I'm having them, and I'm going to be having pretty good giveaways. In my opinion, it would be something I want. And if you could like it, leave a comment, leave a suggestion. Tuesdays is Try It Tuesdays. I don't know if that's going to stick. It was supposed to be Cal Tuesdays. It's going to be What's Up Tuesday. It's going to be Confused Tuesday because that's what I am. Have a blessed day. Bye.